Hi, I'm Anthony from LINAK, and I'm here today to demonstrate the function of our self-learning software that we developed for the grain valve system. In the case of this actuator, we've got two wires that command either direction. We've got the red wire for extend and the black wire to retract. I'm going to place the red wire on positive 24 volts and run it out until it reaches the full limit of this mechanical structure. You'll see that the actuator actually deforms the structure a little bit. Like I said before, you wouldn't want to run this to that full end regularly because it'll actually deform the structure and reduce the longevity of the actuator. So now I'm going to apply 24 volts back to the black wire, and we'll run it back in. So now I will put the actuator in learn mode, and the way that you can do that with these wires would be to actually apply 24 volts to both the red and the black for between 5 to 10 seconds, and then we're going to remove both wires and then apply the wire for the direction that you want it to do the learn sequence. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, both off and then back on. You'll see that the actuator is running slower than it was before. That's to indicate that you are in fact in learn mode. Once it reaches the mechanical limit of the structure, it's going to go to a lower current cutoff, and then it's going to retract a few pulses to account for deformation of the structure. Okay, now the actuator has learned its position. So we're going to run it back in using the black wire. And then we're going to run to that position again. This time you won't see that hard collision. So now the valve is fully shut. It has learned that position, and the actuator will be giving a end of stroke signal on one of the end of stroke wires at this point. And the feedback is scaled as well. And this sequence can be done with a simple 2 push buttons, inward and outward. You just hold both buttons down for the prescribed time. You can program your PLC to run the same sequence. We also have our control box available from ELI that actually has a push button inside that runs that sequence. You just have to hold it down, and you can learn in the extended direction or the retracted direction. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was informative. If you have any more questions, please reach out to your LINAK representative, or you can find information on linak-us.com. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like this.